my channel. Today's video is going to be a Nykaa haul. I think it's been almost a year since I did Nykaa haul. I did Nykaa haul last year, so काफ़ी time हो चुका है. So I thought I'll come back with another haul. इस बार मैंने काफ़ी different चीज़ें try करने की कोशिश की है. I know I am someone who sticks to certain products. अगर मुझे वो अच्छे लग गए देन मैं जल्दी चेंज करने का नहीं सोचती या कुछ और ट्राई करने का. But this time I went little cray over makeup shopping. थोड़ा मैंने ज़्यादा ही शॉप कर दिया. But actually the thing is कि मेरी फ्रेंड्स का बर्थडे आ रहा है, so I thought I'll buy something to give them also. And थोड़ा बहुत मैंने खुद के लिए भी, थोड़ा बहुत नहीं काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैंने खुद के लिए भी शॉप कर लिया. So I shopped a lot from this sale. सेल नायका पे आते जाते रहता है. So I am someone who likes to save a lot. So whenever sale comes, I shop. Actually the thing is, पता है क्या हो जाता है, मैं सोचती हूँ ये महीने में ना 2-4 चीज़ें जो ख़त्म होने आई है ना वो मंगवा लेती हूँ और कुछ नहीं मंगवाना है. एंड बाय द टाइम नेक्स्ट 2 months कम्स वो दूसरी चीज़ें दूसरी ख़त्म हो जाती है, तो फिर से मुझे वो ऑर्डर करना पड़ता है. फिर वापस 2 महीने जाते हैं, फिर वापस कुछ खत्म हो जाता है, फिर वापस मुझे ऑर्डर करना पड़ता है. ऐसे कर करके मैं बेसिकली एवरी मंथ या एवरी अल्टरनेट मंथ में नायका से शॉप कर लेती हूँ. So this time I literally thought कि bro please एक बार में मंगवा. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first is this foundation stick by Nykaa. It's the Skin Genius foundation stick. So I thought I'll try a foundation stick. मैं इतने टाइम से नहीं करी थी because I thought the formulation is little thick. I like liquid products more because it's like sliding on your face and it's beautiful and lightweight also. But I thought I'll give it a try. The reviews were really nice. It's in the shade 03 Rose Beige. But what happened is जब ये आया I checked and it is little dark. So this is the shade. It's a little dark, I feel like. So what I'll do is I'll use it as a concealer because that's the best I can do. Use तो करना ही पड़ेगा. And it was a good deal. I don't think I have paid like more. I have paid around 300 something. So this is the foundation stick. I'll surely use this and give you an update on Instagram that how does it feel on skin and what's the coverage like. So next product is this product from Sugar Cosmetics. This is their blush, contour and highlighter palette. I have used this palette before. This is the palette and this is in the shade 02 Vivid Victory. So this is a really good, I guess, travel friendly also because एक ही उसके पैक में आपको 3 चीज़ें मिल जाती है. ब्रॉन्जर, कॉन्टोर भी मिल जाता है, ब्लश एंड हाइलाइटर ऑल्सो. सो दिस आई हैव यूज्ड बिफोर एंड उसका मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लिया है. सो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट राइट हियर. इसमें कॉन्टोर मिल जाएगा, हाइलाइटर एंड ब्लश एज वेल. आई रियली लाइक दिस इज अ रियली गुड शेड फॉर इंडियन स्किन टोन्स. तो आई थिंक ऑल विथ इंडियन स्किन टोन्स ये सबके साथ जाएगा फॉर द ब्लश ऑल्सो एंड द कॉन्टोर शेड ऑल्सो. और सेइंग मेरी फ्रेंड्स के लिए भी मैंने थोड़ी बहुत शॉपिंग कर ली है. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ दैट. I hope she is not watching this video and I guess मैं उसके बर्थडे के बाद ही अपलोड करूँगी वरना सारा स्पॉइलर मिल जाना है उसको. So this is the eyeshadow palette I picked for her. It's from NK Cosmetics and I do use this palette also but in different shade. I have the nude one but for her I went for Poison Apple. I really loved the colors in this and she is someone who doesn't do makeup a lot. So next product is again from Nykaa. This is their Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. So this is the blush duo and this is how the shade look like. One is little bit of on a pinky tone and one is I would say brownish type का है थोड़ा shade. So this is the 2 shade. These are really good shade and after mixing also it's a beautiful like coral kind of shade. Next product is from Swiss Beauty. I tried this one before in some different shade. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा and this is the liquid eyeshadow. So I went for the shade. This is in the shade 05 Rose Gold Retro. But I think I went for the shade Champagne Pop because it's like a good rose gold shade. This is on a pink side more. I guess I have to check my order history for this, and this is in very pinky tone. I guess Nykaa से थोड़ी mistake हो गई है यहाँ पे. Bought quite a few lipsticks, but all of them are mostly nude only because that's the shade we use more and more every day in day-to-day basis. And आजकल ज़्यादा funky shades नहीं चल रहे. It's the nude shades which are in trend, so I went for nude lipsticks this time. It is the Sensational lipstick by Maybelline New York. So this is in the shade 04 Bare Temptation. So this is the shade. It's really nude brown pink tone में जाता है, and it's really lightweight on your lips as well. Next one I went for Miss Claire. I don't know, मुझे shade थोड़ा अच्छा लगा and उसके साथ gloss भी था, so I thought I'll go for this one. I've never tried really Miss Claire के lipsticks, but this was for just ₹100 with gloss and lipstick, so I thought I'll give it a try, and it was waterproof Lipfinity in the shade 17. So this is the shade I went for. उसके साथ हमें gloss भी मिलता है transparent, which is good, and it's also again a very brown type of shade. Next lipstick is from Swiss Beauty. I thought I'll give it a try to affordable lipstick and brands also. So Miss Claire Swiss Beauty is really affordable side, and उसके काफ़ी अच्छे products हमें मिल जाते हैं. So I went for the Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade 27 Nude Bomb. So this is a pinky tone. So that was all brown shade. One I took was a pink tone. So next product is from Sugar. I really loved how the packaging is. वाइन की ग्लास के अंदर ऐसे एकदम साइड पे यहाँ पे लिप बाम दिया है. सो मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर ली थी, तो मुझे कुछ फ्री गुडीज भी मिली है, which is always a happy thing for girls. So I actually got 2 lip balms, but एक I'm already using, which is in the shade नहीं बोलूँगी, fragrance बोलूँगी मोहितो. जैसे you apply it on your lips ऐसा लगता है you're drinking मोहितो. So वैसा था, and this is Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Lip Balm in the shade Cosmopolitan. Next product is from Lakme Curling Mascara in the shade Royal Blue. So I was eyeing to buy blue mascara since a very long time. I really like applying blue eyeliners also. So I wanted to try blue mascara, and मैं कब से टाले जा रही थी, but this sale I literally thought that I wanted. So I just went for this blue mascara from Lakme. It's really good. I'm yet to try this, but I'm really excited to try this blue mascara. So next product is from Faces Canada. So there was this combo sale चल रहा था, तो उसमें combo था Faces Canada में, where I got liner, mascara and काजल तीनों का duo मिला था कुछ 500 के आसपास. I don't know the price exactly, but I'll mention it down, and I'll also attach all the links. And if you have watched video till here, please do like this video, subscribe to my channel. काफ़ी fun चीज़ें आ रही है future में, so please join the family, subscribe to my channel, share this video with everyone. I am noticing कि काफ़ी लोग अभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हैं, सो दैट वुड बी ग्रेट इफ यू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. दिस इज द डुओ आई गॉट. मुझे वैसे भी दिस लाइनर माई मॉम यूजेस, एंड दिस मस्करा आई एम हुक्ड टू. It's not waterproof, but for daily basis and for shooting videos, waterproof mascara I hate it because फिर उसके साथ lashes भी बाहर आ जाती है. So this mascara is just amazing. Trust me, if you haven't tried this mascara, मेरी बात सुन के एक बार ट्राई कर दो. आई एम श्योर यू वोंट रिग्रेट इट. सो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज गोइंग टू बी फेसेस कैनेडाज आईलाइनर. सो दिस इज फेसेस कैनेडा एक्स क्रीटी सेनॉन. सो उनका आई गेस कोलैब हुआ रहेगा, तो उसका ये स्केच पेन आईलाइनर है. सो अगेन दिस इज अ फ्री प्रोडक्ट आई हैव गॉट बिकॉज आई हैव शॉप्ड अ लॉट फ्रॉम फेसेस कैनेडा. सो उन लोगों ने ये मिनी वाला स्केच पेन लाइनर मुझे फ्री गुडी में दे दिया, एंड दिस इज अ गुड प्रोडक्ट आई विल से, because sketch pen liners are really easy to apply, and if you do wink liners, so these liners stay for a long time, and it's easy to do some graphic liner or a wink liner. So this was the next product. So free की बात हो ही रही है, तो again this is a free product by Nykaa. It's their Black Magic Kajal pencil. So this is the Kajal pencil again I got free. This is the next product again from Faces Canada. As you can see, I guess I'm loving Faces Canada. It's really affordable. I went for this Faces Canada's compact powder. I have used this before. So what's the thing? ये वाला जो Maybelline का कॉम्पैक्ट है फिट मी, मैं उस दोनों के बीच में स्विच करती रहती हूँ. उसमें Maybelline में शेड नहीं था तो I went for this Faces Canada one and it's in the shade Natural 02. So this is again a really good compact powder, affordable and day to day wear के लिए अगर कॉलेज या वर्क पे जाते हो तो it's really good. The packaging is really classy and it sets really well. उसके साथ आपको स्पॉन्ज भी मिल जाएगा. There is small mirror over here and this is the powder. टेक्सचर भी काफी स्मूथ है, लाइट वेट है, सेट भी कर देता है, मैट है ये पाउडर. तो फाइनली अब ये सारी चीजें मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ. लिटरली एक वीक से दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर जस्ट लाइंग अराउंड द कॉर्नर मेरे घर के. बट मॉम भी बोल रही है अरे यार वीडियो बना दे, आई वॉन्ट टू यूज दिस एंड आई वॉज स्टॉपिंग हर. Finally now we can use all this product. I hope you like this video. These were all the things I ordered from the Nykaa sale. I'll link all the things in the description for you guys. I hope you love this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love yourself and bye bye.